In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look up traffic ticket online in Washington, D.C. If you need to check whether a vehicle has a ticket in Washington, D.C., the easiest way to do it is through the D.C. Department of Motor Vehicles online ticket payment portal. This website lets you search for ticket information directly, and it's useful whether you already have the ticket in front of you or you need to look it up another way. Start by going to the D.C. DMV online ticket payment portal. Once you're on the page, you'll see that the system gives you a couple of different ways to search. You can enter the ticket number if you have it available, which is usually the fastest option. If you don't have the ticket number, that's okay. You can also search using the vehicle's registered state and the license plate number. As you enter the information, make sure everything is typed carefully and exactly as it appears on the vehicle registration or the ticket itself. Even a small typo in the plate number or selecting the wrong state can keep the system from finding the correct record. After submitting the details, the portal will display any tickets associated with that vehicle or citation. This may include active tickets, pending violations, or even past tickets, depending on the record available in the system. This is helpful if you want to confirm the status of a citation, review what's owed, or simply verify whether a ticket exists. If you no longer have the original paper tickets, there's also an online option to view and print a copy. The DC DMV provides a copy of parking ticket page where you can retrieve that information. This can be especially useful if you need the citation details for payment, record keeping, or follow-up. If the ticket was issued through photo enforcement or it's a parking citation, you may also be able to view photo evidence online. Washington, D.C. provides access to camera images and the related citation through the TixPix system, usually about 72 hours after the ticket is issued. If you check too soon and don't see anything yet, give it a little more time and try again later. For ongoing monitoring, there's also a ticket alert service offered by the DC DMV. By registering your vehicle, you can receive notifications and review recent ticket history connected to your tags. That can be a helpful way to stay ahead of any future issues. And that's how to look up a traffic ticket online in Washington, D.C. Follow the portal carefully, double check your information, and use the additional resources if you need a copy of the ticket or supporting images.